first warning weather.
Josh back in with a look at the forecast, helping us map out our weekend because it's definitely going to be a puzzle piece with the timing of these showers.
It's touch and go at times. Right now it's more go as we're dealing with quiet conditions for the most part for much of the area, at least to start this weekend. Let's get you updated on that first forecast for your Saturday. A storm right now over Braxton County, moving east along I-79. Otherwise, it's a hazy, muggy start. Some patchy fog in the 70s, mid-80s at noon, getting up to 90, especially the more sunshine you get. Definitely in the low 90s over southeast Kentucky into southwestern West Virginia. Another storm chance, especially by the second half of the day into tonight, and a couple storms could be stout. Here's a look outside live in Point Pleasant. Gallipolis showing a hazy sky this morning, but it's calm, not much of a breeze, and also not much fog, at least at that vantage point. In the low 70s, low to mid 70s all across our three-state region. 60-degree numbers over the higher elevations off to the east. All right, we had a cluster of storms come across southeast Ohio, river cities, and near the Kanawha Valley over the last 6 hours. That moved away. Now they have refired over northeastern sections of our immediate viewing area. Live HD dual Doppler showing that cluster of storms northeast of Charleston moving away from the Kanawha Valley and up here into the I-79 corridor, moving away from Spencer, Grantsville, and Elizabeth, Work County, moving towards Harrisville and Weston. But zooming on in here into Braxton County, yeah, it's been a rude wake-up call first thing this morning as this downpour moves to the east. Notice the area of orange and red, even lightning strikes. Those are cloud to ground lightning strikes this morning. Rainfall rates, well, they're dissipating. If it were to rain for 1 hour, it would be anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain. Thankfully, it's only lasting 15 minutes, so it's a quarter to a half inch of rainfall. But that's a blinding downpour as it moves away from the I-79 corridor. Also, not much hail. As we look at the hail tracker, we're seeing earlier this morning, about an hour ago, we had some small hail, at least according to Doppler, over parts of Roane County and Spencer, but it has really weakened as it moved here into Braxton County. Otherwise, I-64 corridor, eastern Kentucky, West Virginia, southeast Ohio is pretty quiet, but there's a line of storms, gusty storms into the Buckeye capital of Columbus, and that will stay along I-70. But there are more storms back to the northwest. There's a stalled out frontal boundary that's going to act as a highway or train tracks for these storms to redevelop and move over the same area time and time again. So there is a threat for severe weather today, tonight, tomorrow, and also on Monday. It's a level 2 risk out of 5, 5 being the highest. So that means today, tonight, tomorrow, a couple storms may produce some damaging wind, and it looks like that's the greatest threat with these storms. Wind, possibly some hail. Tornado threat is not 0, but it's very low though, and the flood risk, at least looking at the risk for street flooding, is on the moderate side. So Futurecast shows the clusters of storms staying north this morning, and then some will try to form here tonight, overnight into tomorrow, and then another chance for a shower and storm Sunday night into the day Monday afternoon, and then finally a breath of fresh air as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. So wrapping it up here on your 7-day forecast, up to 90 today, 85 to 90 we'll call it, hazy, hot and humid, 70s tonight, upper 80s tomorrow, and Monday a shower and storm risk, and then Tuesday and Wednesday mid to upper 80s, but more importantly lower humidity, and then another storm chance perhaps on Thursday night into next Friday.
More storms just rolling on in.
Typical July and almost early August weather.
I know. Can you believe we're already in August almost?
It's almost back to school here soon.
I know the kids probably don't want to be thinking about that right now.
No, you got their ears eyes closed. No.
Hopefully they're asleep right now.
Probably so.
Thanks, Josh.